Let me show you how to talk to your own document using the power of ChatGPT. This could be an Excel document, a PDF, Press document, or any type of document. This way you can interact with your own documents using the power of ChatGPT, and now it is completely free. So before you get started, let's hit the subscribe button, comment, share this video so we reach out to more people. Let's dive into the video. First, go to chatgpt.com and make sure you are logged into your account, or create one if you don't have one. If you are not logged in, it's not going to give you this option. Once you log in, inside the chat box, you will see a little paperclip icon there. Click on it, and it's going to give you the option to connect different platforms. Like we have the Google Connect. So I've connected my own. That's why you're not seeing Google. But once you land on the page, you should see Google Connect Drive. You will be able to add any document from your Google Drive, or document like sheet, PDF, text documents, and you can interact with it and analyze the document, even summarize those documents. You have also the option to connect with your Microsoft OneDrive, which you can also do the same thing with the way we do with Google. Just connect the account and you'll be able to interact it with the documents. The last option is to upload from your computer. You can click there and select any document of your choice. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to connect from your Google Drive. So I have a document. So once you've connected your account to Google Drive, just click on it and you can select the document. I'm going to select this document. And once I click on it and select, you should take the document and it should load the document in my chat box. So once it has loaded completely, you just click on your enter button and it should start giving you. So let me just click on it again. So you should see that it has taken the document. Sometimes it may analyze the document for you. It will just give you a prompt or description about the document. This is a crypto document that I selected, and it's giving me everything that is in my documents. And I can also chat with it if I like. I can ask questions about the document, and it's going to give me feedback. Then let me just stop this. I'm going to also show you an example of how to upload document from your computer. So what I'm going to do is to click on the paperclip again, then click on upload from computer. Then I'll just select this CSV file. So once I select this document, it can be anyone, CSV, PDF, any document from your computer. So once I select this, it's going to load up my document, and let me just press enter and it should analyze the document. It's going to analyze it sometimes. So I've clicked on enter, it should load. Okay. Sometimes it might give you an analyze, sometimes it might show something went wrong. It's not a problem. It's just that it didn't bring out the visual representation of your documents. So it's analyzing the document. You have to wait some minutes because it has to take some time. So once it has analyzed, it will just give you the detail about it in a form of tabular form or any other form. So once it has completely given you the table structure of your document, you can also ask it to give you the visual representative of your document, and like can give you either a graph, pictures, or anyone, and you can simply download it into your computer. So it has completely. I can ask it to give me the visual, if you like, and it's going to actually give you the visual. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video. See you next time.